Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Qiagen QIAamp Viral RNA Mini Kit 250 pack. So guys, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So guys, as you can see, this is a huge kit. So let me show this. So guys, this is the Qiagen QIAamp Viral RNA Mini Kit. The pack size is 250. As you can see, it needs to be stored at a room temperature of 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, and you can see all these other details over here. So let me show you the sides. So guys, as you can see, there is a small label here, the board from responsible source, so you can see here, and and then you can see this is the Qiagen QIAamp Viral RNA Mini Kit. The catalog number is 52906. It is used for molecular biological applications and it is manufactured in Germany. So this is the back view of it, and this is the other side view. At the side you can see there is one warning label. Let me take this out. So guys, I think this is the multi-language warning label for you. So you can see it is a multilingual warning label with all the details over here. So let me keep this aside. So guys, let me open this for you. Okay, as you can see, on the top of the cover there is some content over here, and and then you can see this is the first pack inside. So this is the collection tube, the 2 ml collection tube, which is a 50 pack 2 ml collection tube. I think there are a big bunch of it. Let me take this out. So guys, this is the collection tube. So I think there are around 15 of these collection tubes present. So each collection tube has 50 tubes. Then apart from that, there is this carrier RNA. So let me show this for you. This is the carrier RNA kit. You can see it contains around 1550 micrograms of RNA. So it's a very small content. So let me keep this aside for you. Then I think we have the QIAamp mini spiral column 50 pack. I think there are five packets available. So you can see this. There are 5 packets available. Let me arrange this. Yeah, that's good. So as you can see, this is the QIAamp mini spin column. It's a 50 pack column, and there are 5 packets which comes with this kit. Apart from that, there are a couple of buffers. This is the wash buffer 2, the 66 ml concentrate. This is the wash buffer 2, and I think this would be the wash buffer 1. Yeah, this is the wash buffer 1. It's a 98 ml concentrate. And then this is the AVL buffer, which is the viral lysis buffer, 155 ml buffer. And then I think there is this also another small buffer. This is the AVE buffer, which is the AVE buffer. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Qiagen QIAamp Viral RNA Mini Kit, a 250 ml pack. So as you can see, it has a huge box. As you can see, this is a huge box, and then we have 15 of these packets, this collection tubes, 2 ml collection tubes, 15 of these packets. Each collection tubes has 50 tubes. And then we have the carrier RNA, the 1550 micrograms of the carrier RNA. Then we have the QIAamp mini spin column. We have 5 packets. So each packet contains around 50 tubes. Then we have these different buffers. We have the wash buffer 2, wash buffer 1. the AVL, which is the viral lysis buffer, and the AVE buffer, and a warning. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Qiagen QIAamp Viral RNA Test Kit. Thank you.